Hi everyone, welcome once again to Learn Ekegusii with Boyani. This is lesson number 9 and today we are going to learn letters Ku and Ra, and that's Q and R in English. So far we have learned letters A, Ba, Cha, Da, E, Fa, Ga, Ha, I, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na, O, Pa, and today is Ku and Ra. Now in Ekegusii we don't have many words that traditionally begin with Q, but we have a few words that we have borrowed from English that begin with Q. For example, quinine, the medicine that is used to treat malaria. And malaria is a little bit common in my place, Gusii Islands, because it's always raining there. And so this medicine is called quinine. So in Ekegusii, we call it equinine, the quinine. So qui is for quinine. Quinine. Ku is for quinine. Quinine. Okay? So, and for letter R, we have many words that begin with letter R in Ekegusii. For example, rara. Rara is to sleep. But in Ekegusii, you find that some words that appear in Swahili as using letter L, they appear in Ekegusii as R. For example, lala in Kiswahili is to sleep, but rara in Ekegusii is to sleep. Yeah, so we have rero. Rero is today. Repeat after me. Rero, today. Rara, sleep. Okay? So sing together with me. Ra is for rero. Rero. Ra is for rero. Rero. So much I appreciate you. It's me, Boyani, from Learn Ekegusii with Boyani. And please continue to learn with me. Like, share, follow, put your thoughts in the comment section, and see you again in the next lesson. Bye bye.